Good evening to all. I have called this quick press conference regarding a few narratives that are going on regarding the Karanzalim assault case, that is Panji PS crime number 125/2025. There are a lot of versions in media which are going on about victim Rama Kankonkar's statement. So I wanted to narrate a few points related to that. First of all, see, victim's statement holds a lot of importance for our investigation because it gives us first-hand account of how the events unfolded. It gives us account of how the description of the accused, all those who are involved, and the sequence of event that followed. In this case also, the statement of the victim Rama Kankonkar was recorded on 2nd of October 2025 at ward number 121 GMC Bambolim by the investigating officer of Panji police station. And in this statement, he has given detailed account of how the group of individuals assaulted him near Kamakshi restaurant in Karanzalim. And he has said that during the assault, he had identified one Minguel, and he had also described two more accused that their description, their color of clothes and the other kinds of description. And he has said that he can identify more attackers if they are presented to him. He has further narrated that Minguel in past also has tried to assault him twice in Agasain. It was both the incident happened earlier this year. Apart from this, he has not given any name, but we are still investigating from all possible angles, and we will file a strong charge sheet in this case as per the available evidences before the court. Thank you.
Sir, has name of any politician come during this investigation?
सी अभी तक तो हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऐसा नहीं आया है, बट हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू है.
सर, दूसरा एक ही पॉइंट सर, जब उसका स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड हो रहा था तभी उसने कुछ कहा कि ये पर्सनल एनिमिटी उसकी दुश्मनी थी या और
क्रक्स है स्टेटमेंट का, मैंने आपको बताया है.
So what about the action and FIRs will be registered against the protesters?
That's a separate issue. We can talk about it. Thank you.